Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Backyard Garage. I know it's been a very long time since I posted a video. I've just been super busy with life and a lot of things going on. So let me kind of show you what's been going on, or what I got going on today in today's video. So I got the windshield wipers all installed and everything. The only thing I don't have is the pump. So this is the remote pump here. So I want to actually mount this. Generally these mount on the fender about right here. But for me, I think it would look better actually sitting back over here, kind of in this area out of the way. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and snag this this fender brace off here. I have it loosened. I just got to remove the bolts here, and then I'm gonna take that out and then just kind of see what it looks like mocked up and how much space I have for it. So let me go ahead and get that the rest of the way off, and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so as you can see, I got that brace off. So like I was saying, I kind of want this jug to sit right here. I'll zoom out, kind of show you what it looks like. So it go right there. It's up, it's out of the way, and it will look good. I'll probably have to mount it down a little bit further, but it looks like a good spot for that. So first thing I need to do is I need to decide whether or not I'm going to be using this brace here, which I believe I am. Only part I'm waiting on, and it should be in today, is the actual pump to go on here. And then after I get that pump in, then I'll see if I have to utilize this to hold the pump on. I know it gets screwed in here, but I'm not sure if I need that as well. So the next thing that I kind of got to do, or that I'm going to have to do, is in order to fit here, as you can see, this plate, it doesn't sit flush because it's a little bit too wide. So I'm actually going to go ahead and trim it down. So I'm just going to mark the plate over here. And then I'll take my chop saw out and back and get that chopped down and kind of mocked up for it to go right there. So let me go do that. Alrighty, so I have this plate all ground down and ready to fit, and I just test fit it in here, just like so. And this is what I did, is put it down pretty far, and then I just marked out these holes. And next thing I need to do is I need to drill those out, because I'm going to be putting some nutserts in. So I got those marked, and then I'll get the nutserts and get those put in. Okay, so I have the two nutserts inserted on the fender there, and while I was putting those in, this actually showed up. And the way that this mounts in is, this is the pump to the washer jug here, and it goes in, and then there's a filter right here, and then this filter just screws in, and that's what holds the pump to the jug. So we're just gonna put this in here, and then we'll just snake this up and in. It's kind of hard to see. And then we're just gonna get that tightened down. So let me get that screwed in and tightened down, and I'll be back in a second. All right, so now that I have that all tightened down, the next things that I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this here. This is the hose for the washer, and I'm gonna be putting it on here, just because it's going to be harder to get on. Slide that in. And then I'm also going to grab the electrical connections and get these plugged in as well. just like that. So now that that's all in and good to go, I'm gonna, give me a sec here, I gotta dash over. Okay, sorry about that. So I'm gonna take this mounting plate here and I'm just gonna put it on the back of here. And I'm gonna get these bolts. I'm gonna put them in and I'm just gonna bolt this on quick. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the other end of this line. I'm just gonna run it up through here. Just like that. And then now I just need to cut that off and then figure out where the windshield wiper squirters are gonna go. So the next thing that I did is I took these squirters here for the windshield wipers and I put a hose on it. And on the hood here, let me zoom in and show you. Right here, right under here is where these mount to. So you're just gonna put these in there and then just screw them into the holes that are existing. And then on the other side here, let me turn you. You'll see up over here, right there, in the same spot, that's where the other squirter will go as well. And then let me go get that in and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty, so here is what we have going on. I went ahead and got this side installed, as you see. So what I did is I just ran the tube over. And then what I did is I came into a Y fitting right here. So actually the water will come up through here, it Y's off, goes to that squirter, then jumps on over to that squirter, and then it'll work. So I put a little bit of water down here just to see what it'll do. So let me set you up. I'll shut the hood and we can see where it's squirting at. Alrighty, so I got the hood shut down and the squirters are actually coming up through these little louvers here. There's one here and one down there. So I'm gonna turn the key on. And I'm gonna hit this. There we go. Seems to be working pretty good. Alrighty, so in here, this is what they are actually looking like up under the, in the screen. They just sit back down below. So I just have to adjust a little bit because part of the stream is actually hitting right on here. But that's okay, it's not very hard. We'll get that all adjusted and good to go. But otherwise, that is how you install that's how I installed my reservoir and my pump system for my windshield wipers. It's got a little bit of tweaking to do, but I will just do that on the side off video, so. But thank you for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate all the love and support. If you could hit the like and subscribe button, that'd be great. If you have any questions, drop it down below and I will definitely get back to you and answer any questions that you have. So until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace.